Hello, friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and here are the tips to remove the iOS 16 beta profile from your device. Because of any reasons like want to remove beta update and switch to public iOS or accidentally installed buggy iOS on primary device. Let's do it and you will get the new pop-up while the iOS 16 public version is available. Until you have to install public iOS in recovery mode. Check the link in the video description to install the final public version on your device. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll to General option and again scroll to VPN and Device Management option. Tap on iOS 16 beta software profile and tap on Remove Profile. Enter your iPhone lock screen passcode and remove it. Your iPhone will ask to restart the device to apply the changes. Now you have to wait for Apple's announcement for the iOS 16 public release or manually install iOS public to your device using Finder on Mac or iTunes on PC. Because iOS 16 file system is not compatible with the old public version, so we can't do it using Wi-Fi or mobile data. Hope you get the tips to remove the profile. And what about the next iOS update? Still, if you have any confusion or problem, let's share in the comment box. Hello, friends, welcome to my YouTube